You're right, it's all started in industry because it has physical products. So you can pick the products, you can investigate them, you can measure performance of a product from a dimensional standpoint as well. Does it fit? Let's say, is it a good product? It started in industry, especially in automotive, and since like 15 years more or less, you see that other industries adapt these methodologies. So currently, nowadays, it is used in many different types of industries. So healthcare, government, service management, chemical industry, high-tech industry. So you see that it's many companies, many organizations, many types of companies adapt these methodologies, especially Lean. And in the high-tech industry and chemical industry, it's also more and more Six Sigma.